Alright everyone, steaks you want to do at high heat. The grill's already ready. I'm just going to spray it down. The wrap off. And then I will turn the heat down once I flip them. Alright, so let it cook for about maybe about a minute, minute and a half, and then I'm just going to do a quarter turn, and then I'll flip it over, and then I'll turn the heat down. I'm having some issues with my grill. This is my last time with this grill. And if you're not sure, just lift it up, just check to see if you got grill marks. I do. Just do a quarter turn. Down she goes. Alright, check them out. Want them a little bit darker, grill marks, but gotta do what you gotta do with the grill. Another quarter turn. I'm just going to turn it down a little bit now and let it cook a little bit, about medium heat. Alright, I want my steaks to be about 130, about medium, low medium. This one is done. $132 is good. Okay, this one I'm going to cook a little bit longer. For my mother.